how you can fix your Apple ID or password is incorrect error on your App Store. So this happens when you try to just update your app that you have already installed. And if this is what's happening in your iPhone, this video is for you. Now, before I teach you guys how to fix that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So first thing you'll want to do is just tap on update, and after you tap on update, what you will see is that it will ask you for your password. So what happens here, whenever you try to type in your correct password and it says Apple ID or password is incorrect, what you might want to do is just check for the Apple ID. So just see if the Apple ID is the one that you're currently using. So what happens is when you just change your phone and when you've just change your Apple ID, your apps that you've installed using your old Apple ID will only get updated with your password of your old Apple ID. So just type in your password of your old Apple ID, just check the Apple ID on the error sign, and after you do that, just type in the password and you will be good to go. So if that does not fix it, if you don't know the password, what you'll want to do is just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to your general. After you're on your general, you'll find iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage. So let's say you are trying to update our TikTok and your TikTok is giving you the trouble of just Apple ID error. So just go to TikTok, you'll just have to delete the app, and after you delete the app, you'll just have to install from your new Apple ID account from your App Store, and that will basically fix your problem, guys. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.